Logo, Beltone. Inside a circular blue graphic with horizontal stripes is a small blue dot. A thin white line curves around the upper part of the dot and flows downward, curved like an ear.
How to insert your hearing aid.
A man holds a small black hearing aid with attached earplug between his thumb and forefinger.
For comfort, always turn off your hearing aids before putting them on or removing them.
The man uses his index finger to press a small button on the hearing aid.
Start by holding the earplug between your thumb and forefinger and insert the tip into your ear canal. Press gently to make sure it is positioned correctly in your ear.
Once the earplug is in place, the hearing aid rests alongside the man's ear.
Now place the hearing aid behind the ear and make sure it fits well.
The man brings the hearing aid over the upper part of his ear and secures it behind the ear.
When the hearing aid is inserted correctly, it should be tight but comfortable. To check if your hearing aid is placed properly, you can tilt your head from the right and left shoulder and possibly pull a little in the ear and ear flip to make sure it sits just right.
The man tugs gently at his earlobe a few times to ensure the hearing aid is securely in place. Logo, Beltone.